What do you want to do that you haven't done, and what's holding you back? That's what we're going to talk about today, so stick around. Hey, my name's Misty, if we haven't met, and I am a manifesting coach, and I work with people on a regular basis that have a dream or an ambition or a goal that they want to bring into their reality, and something is usually always holding them back when they contact me. I absolutely love the question that we got yesterday for our Ask Misty Monday. We do an Ask Misty Monday every single week. If you'd like to send us a question, you can leave it in the comment section down below, or you can reach out to us on our Facebook, our Instagram, or our Twitter. You can mark it hashtag Ask Misty Monday, and it's Misty with an I. So the question is that I'm thinking about starting my own YouTube channel. Do you have any advice for me? And I said yes. The advice is to stop thinking and start doing. And I mentioned that we had these shirts made, these adorable shirts made for people that come to our vision board classes and people that we see at our live events that say plan, and all the plan has a line through it there. And then it says act. And the reason why we made those shirts is because every single one of us has some kind of great idea or some kind of great vision. And most of the time we don't act on it. And then I've even heard people years later say, oh my gosh, that invention was my idea. And I thought about it and now somebody else made it. It's crazy that we wait or we hesitate because we let other people talk us off of, our great ideas or our great adventures, or we tell ourselves that we're not good enough. And that's basically the whole premise of a life coach, is just to listen to you, work out those details on your own, and help you realize that you are worth it and that you can do it. And it's very exciting to watch. We've had people that have created their own YouTube channels. We have had people who have published their own books. We've had people who are terrified to fly and then overcame that with some work and have gone on wonderful adventures to fly out of the country and all over the world. And it's so exciting to watch people, you maybe, come out of your shell and realize that if you stop overthinking it, you can really accomplish anything. And so that's what we're here for you. Every single day, Monday through Friday, we started our channel just to encourage you and to help everyone live a more positive and abundant life. And the way that we do that is through our daily videos, Monday through Friday, 5:30 in the morning, they launch. We do that through our personal classes and personal coaching. We love to share the idea of vision boards and how they work and how to maximize your vision board to make it work. We love to share the practice of gratitude and gratitude journaling. We think that affirmations are one of the most beneficial things that you can do for yourself. And those three things together really are how you manifest something into your life. And so I feel like for the rest of this week, I actually have a great video for you tomorrow that I went to an event this weekend that some young girls planned, and I can't wait to share that with you and how their vision came into reality and how they worked for it, and they didn't let anybody tell them no, that they couldn't. So I hope that I'll see you tomorrow, and until then, happy manifesting.